Hello, welcome you here to my video of friendly handyman tips and tricks. And then if you want to get into maintenance, I'll be teaching you little things here and there. It's a good field to get into. Today I'll be changing a closet hall light. Closet light. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll bring you some more content. I'm trying to get my channel out there growing. So if you like to help a new YouTuber, bear with me with the installment. This is the light I'll be putting up, and you get them at Lowe's. They're LED, so you're gonna want to just twist this off. You just twist it off, and it comes off like that. This is the LED light. And it's a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. This is for educational purposes only. So if you don't feel comfortable with it, hire yourself a handyman or electrician. So this is, I'm going to shut off the power, but you'll need a flathead screwdriver because these older apartments and houses have flat screws, not star. I got me some electrical wire strippers. I got me a voltage detector. You just put it on the wire. It's a Milwaukee one, but Klein sells them, many other brands. And I like Milwaukee tools. I try to stay with one brand. So Milwaukee's a good brand to get into because their field is big. They have a little of everything. Okay, I'm gonna shut off the power. Power off. And I do got my flashlight, so I can see a little bit better. And there we go. Remove the light bulb. My flathead. Oh, actually, this one's a star, so it makes it even quicker. I can use my Milwaukee drill. So out of the fuel band, I use the 12-volt one. It makes it a little lighter. Put in my bag and carry around. Just pull this down. This has some flat screws, and they're just wrapped around the screws. So you just untwist them like that. Untwist them, twist them, untwist them, just like that. And I wanted to just verify there's no power. I turn my detector on. No power, no power. So it's safe to work on. But if you don't feel comfortable, just hire an electrician or handyman, or just shut off all the breakers and verify there's no power. These wires are a little bit too long, so I'm gonna cut them. So when you put the wire in it, there's no bare wire showing, or that could be touched on anything, metal. And I need to go get that package. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I'm back. I came with a package with 3 wire nuts and 2 screws. So I'm gonna put these screws in real quick. They just go into the holes that they're right here. One on each side. One on each side. And very simple. You could do this. Don't overthink it. And then do a light fixture. Match the wires. White with white. You just put them together. And then just twist it on. twist until it feels tight and snug, and just tug on the wire, make sure it's not going to come out. Put the tips together and twist on just like that. Then push it inside in the box, so if it ever arcing, it stays inside there. And then get back in there. Come on. Just be patient. Yeah. Line these holes up correctly. I think I need to tighten it just a little bit so it doesn't come out. Just push them up in there a little. These screws are pretty long, so yeah, it makes it a little easy. Or that thing like that. Line it up. Being a little fart for me. There we go. There we go. Once you get it lined up, where the screws line up, and then just tighten it just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna turn it on to show you it works. Beautiful. Then I'm going to put the cover on. These little ears, they go inside where they came out from. And you just turn it to the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Upgraded light, and you now have that rather than that. And you don't have to replace light bulbs for many years until the fixture fails. But usually it's they last about 3 to 5 years, I would say. I haven't changed a light bulb. They haven't went bad in over 5 years on some of the ones I did. So it's a good investment, and then it's less on your electricity bill. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be doing many other videos on training for people that want to get into maintenance, apartment maintenance technician, or just want to do it for your own home and do some improvements. Just like and subscribe. That's just my detector. It just times out. But, I'd like to show you guys more. I want my channel to grow, so I'll help a young man. Not young. I'm not young, but at this YouTube, and I'm very young. So like and subscribe to help my channel grow, and I'll get better at doing these videos, because I'm not the best talker, but I get tongue twisted at times. But I'm just trying to spread some knowledge out there. So please like and subscribe and share my video. Thank you. Till next time. Peace out.